Founded in 1872 as part of the Italian Navy, the Istituto Idrografico della Marina is the Italian Hydrographic Office, in charge of the official nautical documentation for those waters which were internationally assigned to Italy to ensure safety of navigation and of human life at sea. The Istituto Idrografico currently employs about 200 people, both military and civilian personnel, and has its headquarters in Genoa, in the historic fortress of San Giorgio. Its main fields of activity are hydro-oceanographic research and survey, production and updating of official nautical documentation, specialized training for military and civilian personnel. The Istituto Idrografico performs regular surveys of the Italian coasts and seas using 3 Navy vessels, Maniaghi, Galatea and Aretusa, equipped with the best state-of-the-art equipment, single and multi-beam echo sounders to measure depths and map the sea floor, side-scan sonars, remotely operated vehicles, differential and RTK satellite positioning systems. The data collected is then automatically sent to analysis and processing systems. Based on such data, the Istituto issues official nautical documentation consisting of charts, books and notices to mariners. Our portfolio currently includes over 300 charts in different scales, 10 sailing directions, and many other products required for safe navigation, both paper and digital. In addition to traditional charts, the Istituto Idrografico della Marina issues leisure charts, specifically designed for yachtsmen and motorboat cruisers, smaller, easier to use and printed on both sides on heavyweight water-resistant paper, and electronic navigational charts to be used with an electronic chart display and information system. Training qualified hydrographers has been one of our main objectives since the early 20th century. In time, courses have become more varied and diverse in order to cater for different needs and to keep up with technological innovations. Among the most important courses, the Master Degree in Marine Geomatics, designed with the University of Genoa, and specialized training in hydrography for officers. Most courses are internationally certified and open to military and civilian students. Our library, open to the public by appointment only, includes over 20,000 books on a variety of technical and scientific topics. Pilots, atlases, diaries from journeys and expeditions, and naturally, historical charts. The Istituto Idrografico della Marina is part of the National Research Project in Antarctica, issuing nautical and bathymetric charts to be included in the international portfolio. The Istituto Idrografico della Marina is committed to protecting the environment. Among other activities, we monitor the Mediterranean sea mammal population and other marine resources, such as the Posidonia, as this seagrass reflects changes in the quality of the ecosystem and acts as a biological barometer for man-made pollution. You can help too if you wish. Just fill in the forms. You can find them in our Agenda Nautica or download them from our website. We'll insert your information into our databases and share it with the international scientific community. The Istituto Idrografico della Marina, together with the Ministry of Cultural Heritage and Activities, is in charge of the REC database for the Mediterranean Sea. Our numerical modeling for tide and water mass simulation has proved crucial when dealing with spills following accidents at sea, especially toxic or polluting, providing useful information to operators and helping them contain the damage and proceed to clean up in the most rapid and effective way possible. The Istituto Idrografico della Marina represents Italy in the International Hydrographic Organization, whose purpose it is to coordinate the activities of national hydrographic offices and to ensure the greatest possible uniformity in nautical charts and documents. Our work with the IHO focuses mainly in the building of international cartography relevant to the Mediterranean Sea and in technical assistance to the hydrographic offices of developing countries.